Dear students, today we will discuss about chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics, kinetic means is related to the rates or speed. In this chapter, or the chemical kinetics is deals with the study of rate of reaction, mechanism of reaction, and factors affecting of reaction can be studied in this chemical kinetics. We will focus on mostly now rate of reaction, order and molecularity. Suppose the rate of reaction, when you see a reaction, suppose A gives the B, the rate of reaction is depends upon concentration of reactant and concentration of product. As reaction progress, the concentration of reactant goes decreasing, B goes increasing. Therefore, the rate of reaction or speed of reaction we can define as it depends on the rate of change of concentration with time. Rate of change of concentration with time is nothing but the rate of a reaction. Suppose a reaction is there, A mole of A, B mole of B gives C mole of C and D mole of D. This A, B, C and D are stoichiometric coefficient, are moles of A, moles of B, B is moles B, C moles C, D moles D. Number of moles is also signifies this A, B, C, D. Now, if suppose we have the 10 reactant molecules is there at the start. At the start, the product has 0 molecule, or the concentration at the start, 0 timing, is 0. And concentration of is 10, if suppose we consider. After some time is consumed, time t, at the last, it will be remains 1 at some time and it will converted into 9 number of products. Then you found that the concentration of reactant decreasing and concentration of product increasing with time. Therefore, we can give rate of reaction as rate of disappearance of reactant and in the form of rate of appearance of product. It can be given as for this reaction a rate of disappearance of reactant A. Okay, reactant, as reaction progresses, the reactant goes on decreasing. Therefore, the minus sign we use here because reactant goes on decreasing. 1 upon its mole, a change in concentration of A with respect to time. This concentration of reactant is decreases with reactant decreases with time. As like we previously said there at the start there was the 10 molecules, after that it reduces the 1 and 9 is product obtained, at the start 0 was product there. Therefore at the final reactant concentration was 1 and reaction concentration was 10 at the first, at the beginning of the reaction. Therefore the delta reactant, change in concentration of reactant, this particular is given as initial concentration minus final concentration, it is equal to minus 9. Therefore after some time this quantity is the minus quantity, therefore minus will be positive. And remember that rate of reaction is always positive, rate of reaction is not negative. That's why that one of the point is there, it is decreases, the concentration of reactant decreases, therefore negative sign we used here. And this value also negative will be plus, that's why we use the negative here. And the reaction rate, as like if a bus is moves from A point to B point, the speed is given never negative, like that rate of reaction is never negative. Okay, now the same is applicable for rate of disappearance of reactant B is equal to minus A upon B, change in concentration of B upon with respect to time. It is also negative because the concentration is decreases, reactant concentration is decreases with respect to time. Then rate of appearance of product C is given as minus 1 upon its mole, change in concentration of C with respect to time. This is for the your product. Now for second rate of appearance of the product D is equal to in this it is a positive, correct, this is positive because product concentration of products goes on increasing. Then 1 upon D, change in concentration D with respect to time. This is the rate of reaction. We can give some equations. It depends upon concentration of reactant and product. Then rate law equation. We know that rate is directly proportional to the concentration of, if you suppose we consider a reaction A plus B gives the product. The concentration of rate of reaction is given directly proportional to the concentration of A and concentration of B. Concentration A raised to X and B raised to Y. This is the exponent, A exponent X or X, A power to X, B power to Y. This is the rate law. Then R is equal to rate of reaction is equal to K. K is the rate constant A raised to x and B raised to y. This is the equation when we remove the directly proportional. Rate is directly proportional to the concentration A, directly proportional to the concentration B, A to the power x and B to the power y. This is the rate law equation. Then order is the one of the concept, order and the molecularity. Order can be given as x plus y, the summation of these and y is nothing but the order. Order can be experimental calculated. Theoretical order cannot be calculated. It is only calculated by experimentally. Then we can define the order. It is sum of exponent of concentration of reactant in the rate law equation. It is sum of x and y, means the exponent of A exponent x and y, the concentration A exponent x, B exponent y. Therefore, the order is the sum of exponent of concentrations or sum of power of concentrations in rate law of equation. This is the definition for order, and order only calculated experimentally. Theoretically, order cannot be calculated. Now, what is the molecularity and what is difference between molecularity and order? Molecularity. Suppose A gives the product B and A plus B gives the product. A plus B plus C gives the product P. Molecularity is defined as in an elementary reaction, the number of reactants in a reactant side is nothing but the molecularity. Number of reactants in reactant size is nothing but molecularity. In this reaction, in reactant side there is only one reactant. Therefore, molecularity for this reaction is, it is a unimolecular reaction. This is the bimolecular reaction. This is the trimolecular reaction. Elementary reaction means the simple reaction which reactions has only one steps, which reaction complete only within only one step. And complex reaction, it requires the more than one step. That reaction is the complex. And those reaction which progress only one steps, those completed by using only one step, this reaction is the elementary reactions, and other type, that is a number more than one step, is the complex reaction. Therefore, for this reaction, molecularity is only one reactant is there, therefore unimolecular, two reactant is there, bimolecular, and three reactant is the trimolecular reaction. Or other way we can define molecularity, the molecules, atoms or ions collides simultaneously is also called as molecularity. This is another definition. Molecules, atoms, ions collide simultaneously is called molecularity. Suppose A and B collide at the same time, then its molecularity is that reaction should be the bimolecular. And three molecules if collides, the reaction will be the trimolecular reaction. This is again the one of the definition for the molecularity. Then we define the order. First difference is the regarding the definition. We define the order by using the rate law. Rate law is given as that is the constant rate constant a raised to x and b raised to y. This is the rate law. Therefore order is the nothing but the summation of x and y. X and y are the exponent of a and exponent of b. A raised to x means the x is the exponent of a and y is the exponent of b. Therefore we define it as it is a summation of exponent of concentration in the rate law equation. That is nothing but the order. Then order only experimental calculated. Order, theoretically we cannot give the order, but molecularity is concept is given by the theoretically. You could not use the experimentally to find out the molecularity. Okay, then order can be 0, 1 to nth or fraction also, but molecularity is not a 0, not a fraction. It is only whole figures, that is 1, 2 and 3. Order can be more than 3, 4, 5 nth number of order is possible. But molecularity is not possible beyond the 3. Only trimolecular reaction is possible. Order can be calculated for simple reactions. Simple means the elementary reaction, as well as it can be calculated for the complex reaction. But molecularity cannot calculated for complex reaction. It is calculated only for the simple reaction. This is the difference between the order and molecularity. First difference, we seen that the molecularity is the number of reactants involved in reactions. In elementary reaction is nothing but the molecularity reaction, and order is the summation of the exponent of the reactant, concentration of reactant in rate law equation. Order only experimental calculated things, but molecularity can be calculated theoretically. The value orders can be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to nth fractional, but molecularity can never be fractional, can never be 0. It is only the whole figures 1, 2, 3. But more than 3, no molecularity seen. Therefore, order can be more than 3, but molecularity is not more than 3. Molecularity can be calculated only for simple reaction. Complex reaction it is useless. In complex reaction molecularity cannot be calculated, but in order can be calculated for complex reaction as well as simple reaction. So thank you very much.